Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make Bing your default search engine. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the middle of the screen, we can see that we have the search bar. In the top right corner, we have your profile, where you can check out your profile, of course. And here we have everything about the Bing actually. And in the bottom side, we have the latest news. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and make Bing your default search engine. So to make Bing your default search engine, follow these steps. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. So click on here and then click on settings. After that, scroll down and click on search engine. You just need to go and scroll down until you find the scroll engine. After that, search engine, sorry. Then after that, you need to click on choose Bing from the drop-down menu. So that is for Google Chrome. For Microsoft Edge, you can click on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Then scroll down to privacy, search, and services. And under this section, click on address bar and search. So this is for Microsoft Edge, where I am at the very moment. For Mac, go to top menu, click on preferences, search, and then Bing from the list of options. And for Firefox, click on the three lines again, scroll down to the search section, choose Bing from the drop-down menu, and that's that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, that will be everything for this video. Bye guys.